Hello, my name is William, and today I will be talking about how to generate reports. Under reporting, we have some standard reports, such as asset management. Here, as you can see, are all the reports relevant to asset management, such as asset downtime history, asset hierarchy, and more. Next, we have work management reports. Here are some reports relevant to work management. We have labor time by craft, labor time by employees, work order summary, and the other relevant reports. If you want to view a report, we have the option to download the report as a PDF or as an XLS file. So once we click on the PDF, as you can see, we can fill out the information if you want, then you can run it. As you can see here, we have the work order summary. We can see the work order number, the asset, the status, the craft, the type, who it's requested by, who it's assigned to, when the report was created, when the report's due, and when's the report completed. This goes for all the reports. Let's exit out here. Next, we have material management. As we can see here, these are all different reports about material management, such as inventory adjustments and top sellers and the other reports. Next, we have administration. Here we have all our user listing reports, user license reports, user permission reports, and so forth. We also have forms. Under forms, we have all the purchase orders, purchase order receipts, and other reports. Now let's look at example. Let's look at purchase order. And run it. As you can see here, let me expand this. As you can see here, it's a simple purchase order. We can see the vendor, who it's shipped to. You can also see what the item is, the quantity, the unit cost, and below it we can see the total amount here as well. That's it for this demo. If you have any questions or want to book a demo with us, please contact us at 1347-716-9366 or email us at marketingteam@americanworkflows.com. Thank you.